Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unobtrusive way. Velo really has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a descending pattern in a genuinely enormous manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which sort of shows that Velo's EMA10 basically shows a fundamentally descending pattern, which essentially is very critical. 11 November 2023, in this video we will fundamentally walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these much of the time commonly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is momentary cost expectation for Velo, most certainly is Velo an especially wise speculation, in every practical sense. As opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo support and opposition levels and so forth, which truly is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging pretty profound into the Velo specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations, which is very huge. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,410,776,640,034 in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $65,076,358,619 in a kind of large manner. Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in a truly significant manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value decline of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which essentially shows that Velo's EMA10, in every practical sense, shows a sort of descending pattern, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time span, which generally is very huge. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, basically is up by 2.28 and right now exchanging at 67 cents, exhibiting how Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, which especially is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 2.28 and at present exchanging at 67 cents, exhibiting how Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, which really is very critical. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market basically is going in an all things considered descending course for genuinely transient in an exceptionally large manner. As of now, and in every way that really matters, general truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a by and large significant manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to explicitly recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any essentially further in a fundamentally huge manner. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become move pretty dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is very critical. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file, Velo, especially is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in an unobtrusive manner. However, Velo in every way that really matters has a value decline of 5.82% in the all things considered last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, showing how Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in a significant way. Velo Value Examination Velo Cost Investigation for 11 November 2023. Inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period in a real sense, made sense of underneath, showing how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Velo specialized investigation, basically let us essentially discuss the genuinely current economic situations, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to especially dissect the future development of the Velo. Further appearance how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which in a real sense shows that Velo's EMA10, for the most part shows a by and large descending pattern, which certainly is very critical. The truly relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI by and large is a 30. Pretty further appearance how Velo's EMA10 truly shows a sort of descending pattern in a kind of significant manner. The Velo United States dollar moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD, marker fundamentally is demonstrating a genuinely present moment, certainly sell commonly signal as the MACD line by and large is moving underneath lovely sign line which really implies in every practical sense, bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout. So however Velo in a real sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the especially last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a for the most part all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, showing how Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unobtrusive way. While Velo's Williams %R marker especially is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition and by and large transient pattern, reasonably inversion really is conceivable. Bulls can move the market in vertical course, truly further appearance how the Velo United States dollar moving certainly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker for the most part, is demonstrating a truly present moment, especially sell sort of sign, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath certainly signal line which fundamentally implies certainly bears by and large are ruling on the lookout. So however Velo basically has a value decline of 5.82% in the truly last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a really all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, showing how Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo in a real sense is moving in certainly descending course, as most certainly bears effectively for the most part take the coin beneath quick help level of $0.004, showing how the extremely all-out exchanging volume by and large stands